So today we're gonna focus on detoxifying the face. So I'm gonna use a very nice, super clearing detoxifying mask. It is the best peeling at the same time that I have ever tried. And this is the Sudtana Lime, Turmeric and Rice Detoxifying Herbal Mask. I'm gonna start with this one. It's like a powder form, super detoxifying. You don't use it like a normal mask. You actually massage it on your skin for a while. So the mask is off now. My skin feels super smooth and super clean. I absolutely love this feeling. There's no oils. That mask really gets rid of everything.